You live like a madman. Move mad Rosealee. Mad Rosealee, you live like a madman and you want class people. Not even the boy them will live in the gully and live like you. Come and you see that? She live like a mad woman. You can't have picnic in the environment there. And the people in the air tell us that the internet send Ibania jail. The internet send Ibania prison. Oh, and see that mad out Rosealee that makes you live in a garbage pan. Oh no.
Can't be a garbage, no matter with that. If garbage want in, I make the garbage blood clot in here. But I one thing me know now got in here you, which is a shit. So if garbage want in a Shebada make garbage in here. And one thing me know now got in here shit, which is you. You can't in a cause you're shit. Shebada, you can't in a cause you're shit. You have to go on a pump house. You have to go on a pump house. Why does everything a human being do is a problem? I want to stop the people problem. I don't know some of you from nowhere, we're not friends. Leave me the fuck alone. Like if I'm a person that scrolls through my TikTok every single night. And I have seen a lot of things on this app. Whether people are dancing or laugh, whether I do good or not. And I am not the person to comment. Me not enough so, me not obsessed with people. Let people be who they want to be. If me go to some boss, someone I say then that look good, chow, scroll right along. Someone want to brazen bright enough and want to be seen. Want to pick on people. You can't bully me after this because I'm very unbothered. Because me know my dreams and me know my goals and me know where I want to be in the next 10-15 years. So you can always say, you want to say, what you want to say in a dirty, what you want to say in a dark. I don't literally give a fuck. I'm not live for nobody but me. What my heart's desire, what makes me happy. But as I come show you the comparison of a person who never look good yet, I tell a person say them don't look good. Me I live for me. Me not look for some look a big pussy and nana life and privileged batty man. Who have fame and can't catch the crowd. Me not live for no. I exhort Shebada no time at all. Cause Shebada go on like him can class people and him out bad than a 2-man fuck and get him. Him mama is a Draco. Him mama is a man and him father is a Draco all. Me not exhort Shebada when me attack. Shebada them stink. And then the word, you know the worst, you know the funniest thing about it, TikTok. Them the little dirty batty man have AIDS, you know. Them have AIDS. You know, on the internet, you have class people, you're sick. Go look about to the AIDS self. Go look about to the AIDS body, man. Come off a girl. Go look about to the AIDS body. Derrick have AIDS, Derrick man have AIDS, Shebada have AIDS. Go look about to the AIDS self. Majority of them have AIDS. Go look about to the AIDS self. Go and look about your AIDS self. Like literally go take your medication, get some rest, you can live even 10 or 4 more years. Look a bit more. Go look about your AIDS body. I AIDS, them AIDS, Derrick and Shebada have AIDS. Go look about to the AIDS self, man, allow me. When you come on the text up, me nah make you come call me name and come Billy. Me nah make you come call me name and come Billy come upon TikTok. Allow not tell. Me I want upon this. And anytime you call me name, me I want to go at it. Me nah make you call me name and binnacle me upon ya. Anytime you say Rosealee, me I want to go down the hill. Me I wanna go down the hill because I don't wanna stink. I don't wanna stink. Anytime you come and I make a binnacle me off of this blood clot. Anytime I call them me a class on the back, because you know more than me. But I make no underprivileged thinking dirty batty boy take the set for me. We are rotten from head to toe. You're rotten in from head to toe. Ow. Ow. But I make no underprivileged dirty stinking batty man. We are rotten from the upper to down there so. Take no set for me. Because we are rotten from head to toe. We are rotten from head to toe. Oh. When I in all the battle, that's how the whole stay. The whole carve out till it make. Cause a long time when I batty boy. It cause how the whole stay. You just slide in. Long time when I batty boy. Long time. The whole carve out. The whole carve out. Cause a long time when I stay so. I remember say that a pokey where I go come out and come in back. So I just this you know battle. So no battle yeah. In my big in my hand. Long time them again. There are 50 wall heap, Shebada 40 wall heap, and them a fuck for them in them teens. See them battle yeah. One big old round wall around there. So carve out. Chisel down and carve right out. And that there. So only for class me. Eh? Shebada him sick till him can't swallow. Shebada him sick till him cannot swallow. Shebada him sick till him can't swallow. The last time Derrick post on Instagram saying more medication is a AIDS. Is a AIDS paper him sure. Shebada sick till him can't swallow. Shebada enjoying him in batty wall more than even a plate of food. Uno stink from head to toe. All both part of uno stink. Stop come for real woman. And then the whole uno sit down and laugh. All them sit down and this woman. And uno sit down and laugh and take it for blood clot joke. Uno sit down and laugh and take it for joke. When them sit down a class woman and picnic. Uno take it for a joke. When them look thinking under frigilage, dirty boy that can't walk on the way in the world for go one side. Walking dead, walking tomb, walking sapolka. Right there and done for go on side. You mean them so long at this woman, big pussy girl, girl like this, girl like that, when I them are the all of the above. Think rotten car. We not talk about so, we are talk about stink and rotten and a dead. Shebada, hello. Shebada, hello. Little bit and think. And I talk about garbage. You can't tell me about garbage. If me want to be a garbage, no matter with that. If garbage want in, I make the garbage blood clot in here. But I one thing me know now in here you, which is a shit. So if garbage want in a Shebada make garbage in here. And one thing me know now go in here shit, which is you. You can't in here because you're shit. Shebada, you can't in here because you're shit. You have to go on a pump house. You have to go on a pump house. You have to run in our inner city when you burst. Shebada, you have to run in our inner city when you burst. You have a bus and run in our inner city and stink up the whole place. And that me know about you. You can't in here. Me a garbage alone can't in here like me. I was in a garbage. But you can't in here, you're shit. You have a bus and run in our inner city. One get part of one ghetto. Them say, At no given time, Shebada will never see attack and active and sweat around. Yet every day you cold. Every day you look cold and sitting in. We never see her sweat yet. Whenever see sweat a run down on your body, so a drip. So we say, wow. So you can wipe it off so. And look on it so. And it runs so. We never see that. Every day you look cool. Every day you tremble inside and out. Every single day. The last year I find our old man also catch up with pure old furniture. So a long time crack we never see yet. I mean you want to come out? Shebada, you don't have any money. You are broke. Stop, come out, come take up your problem from me. I know me broke you. You're broke, you don't have no money. With the one backlash spit. Every day they on the live with the one back. See with the one backlash spit. Ivan, cheese. Shebada, to all you have money, should have made around you up till now. And me are the only girl make you come show say you have full farm. And me are the first girl make you go buy a phone. Me are the first blood clot bitch make you go and buy a good phone. Come say, Shebada, you want a good phone for argue with me. And me make you go buy one good quality phone. One good phone. We stop show black and white TV. Because this is colored world we live in. And me are the first girl make you buy a good phone. Now when Sexy Ray them when Sexy Ray them a screen a card because you like it, we can't see good coverage. And me make you buy a good phone. And me come make you show say you have chicken farm and you want worker. Me and me alone. And me give you homework for the mathematics. Me you cuss me about fun and a fan me say I cool you off. You talk about Britain AC you have none. Shebada me money a batty man on the buy fuck, you know, on the pay you know give boy all 200,000, 300,000 fuck on you know. Cause on like boy when them fabulous. Me ain't in the same league. You like text it pan woman is a nobody. Go on, go take your medication and leave me alone. You and Derrick. You and Derrick need to go take on a medication and leave me alone. Go on, go take your medication. Me no soon no. Me only a friend. The only time I see blood clot, you Shebada when I went pipe bus now in a city and me I walk past and me can't bother walk back there so there's a stink. Me don't no live now we already, me no want a friend. Me don't no live now we already, me no want a friend.